Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn chapter number 11.4. The name of the lesson is solving quadratic equation by factorizing. What is quadratic equation? Anything which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is known as quadratic equation. In this one we will be using all these formula 1 2 3 4. So formula for a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. And here you can take common. What common? A is common, a times of a plus b. So the same thing we are going to do. So I have taken some questions from your book. So page number from the book is, it is 37. Okay, so I'm going to start. Have a look. So here we have to do factorization. How to do factorization? We will check what is common. Presently if you cannot see what is common, so I can break this one 2 times 3 6. I can write 2 times 3, then x times x square means x times x minus 2x. I can write 2 times x is equal to 0. Now you can see what is common. 2x 2x, it is common here. If you are taking common, because there is no number written here, so if no number is written here, you can consider this is 1 times. Okay, so I'm going to take common, so I will take 2x common. What will remain from here? From here it will remain 3x. Okay, and from here if I will take 2x common, minus 1 will remain and is equal to 0. Now if the product of some numbers are 0, it means either each of the product is 0 or one of the product is 0. Now 2 cannot be equal to 0, so what is 0? Either x is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Further solve it, so I can write or x will remain 0. Here if you will solve it, you can say x is equal to 1 by 3. So I have two equations now. One solution, sorry. So x is equal to 1 by 3 is one root and x is equal to 0 is another root. Same way I will be doing this one, but before making quadratic equation, I know that right hand side must be 0. So let's start by making it 0. It will be 20x square minus will become plus, it will become 25x. Now like the same way, this time I'm not factorizing the number. I can directly see that 5 and x is common here, so I will be writing 5x common. So what will remain? From here it will remain 4x, and from here it will remain only and only 5 is equal to 0. It means either x is equal to 0 because 5 cannot be 0, or I can write 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now same further solve it, it will give you minus 5 by 4. So I have got the solution, either minus 5 by 4 or x is equal to 0. Okay, so first two question from your book I have solved. Now I am going to solve the next question. Okay, have a look. Question number 9 and 14 from your book. Let's start here. So I am starting with this one. In this type of question, you will multiply first these two, and you will try to make it like this. Here let us suppose if no number written, so I will consider 1 is written. Okay, what is written? 1. Okay, I will be changing the size of this one. Just have a look, give me a minute. I'm making it more small so that you can see it's one time you will be considering this one. Okay, so let's start here. So I have to rearrange, so I said I will multiply, so 2 times 3. Now I will multiply these two times 1. I am also writing because 1 will be always factor of any number, so I have to arrange these three number by using only 1 plus or only 1 minus. So I can see 2 times 1 will be 2 and here 3, and now if I am doing 2 minus 3 I will be getting how much? Minus 1, because it's telling minus 1. So same thing I will be doing. I can write 2x square, because with the minus 1 x is also written, so you will be writing here x and x also. Okay, so I can write minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. In these two and these two I will try to take common. So what is common here? Here is common x. So if I am taking x common, so I can write here 2x minus 3 will remain, and plus 1 I will take common here, because I cannot see anything common, so 1 will be common. In the multiplication always 1 is the factor. So here also 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. You can see 2x minus 3 is common. I will be taking 2x minus 3 common. So what is remaining from here? X is remaining, and from here plus 1 is remaining. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now product of two number is 0, means either this fraction, this expression or this expression is 0. So I can write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, or I can write x plus 1 is equal to 0. When you will solve, x will be equal to 3 by 2 from here, or you can say x is equal to minus 1 here. So two solutions I have got from here also. Okay, same way you have to do this question, but again you have to make right hand side 0. So same thing, 3x square plus 2x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now as I told you that firstly I will multiply this number and this number, and then I will try to make it plus 2. Let's start here, factorization. So 3 times 21, I can write 21 again, further I can break it as 7. Now 3 times 3 will give you 9, and here I will write 7. I said I have to use either plus or minus, so and I want plus 2. Okay, so because I want plus 2, so I will be making minus, it will giving you plus 2. So let's start. Same thing I will be doing. I will be writing here x also, because x is written. So let's start. I will be writing here 3x square plus 9x minus 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. I will make pair now. Take common, 3x is common, so x plus 3 will remain. Here if ever minus is at the first place, you have to take minus also common. Okay, so I will take minus 7 common, so again it will give you x plus 3. Okay, again x plus 3 is common, so from here 3x will remain, from here minus 7 will remain. Do it. Put both the expression 0, or so from here x you will get 7 by 3, and from here you will get minus 3. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Coming back to the next question. Wait. Now what formula we are going to use here in this question, I am telling you. So here I will be using the formula of a square minus b square. It will give you a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So firstly I have to make 0 this side, so I will be writing x square minus 64 is equal to 0. I know 64 is a square of 8, so I will write x square minus 8 square is equal to 0. Okay, it means this question has become like this. So in place of a, x is written, and in place of b, what is written? 8. So apply the formula. Firstly a plus b, so I'll write a plus b means x plus 8, and a minus b, a means x, and then minus 8 is equal to 0. Again product of two expression is 0, so I can write x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 8 is equal to 0. Further solve it, it will give you minus 8 from here, and from here you will get finish. Okay, so this is your two answers. Same way you have to do this one. So I will be writing a little, and then rest of thing you will be doing. So 289 minus x square is equal to 0. This is 17 whole square minus x square is equal to 0. So you will be solving further. This one I am not going to solve. It's same now. Okay, going to the next one. So now we are going to solve question number 18. It will be same. So here it is written 50. Okay, so I will be just shifting this 50 to the left hand side so that I can get 0 here. So I will be writing x square plus 14 minus 50 is equal to 0. When you will solve this one, it will give you x square minus 36 is equal to 0. I know the square of 6 is 36, so I will be writing x square minus 6 whole square is equal to 0. Now again I am going to use the same formula, that a square minus b square will give you a plus b into a minus b. So same formula I will be using here. This is b. Here you can write x plus 6 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Multiplication of two expressions 0. This implies either x plus 6 is equal to 0, or I can write x minus 6 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to minus 6 you will get, and from here x is equal to 6 you will get. Okay, I hope you have understood. Same way I will be solving this one. So one side means right hand side always I will make 0. So after rearranging you can write x square plus 3 minus 124 is equal to 0, or you can write 121 is equal to 0. This one will give this one. Okay, 121 is the square of 11, so I can write x square minus 11 whole square is equal to 0. Now this question, here you will be using this formula, so same way you will be doing. I am not going to do this one, and you will get the answer as x is equal to 11, or you will get x is equal to minus 11. Okay, I am going to do the next question. Question number 23 and 24. Same way, make right hand side 0, so I can write 16x square minus 24x plus 30 minus 4 is equal to 0. Further solve it. So 13 minus 4 you will be writing 16x square minus 24x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now I am going to use the formula, this one. Okay, what formula? I will be using a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. Okay, here minus is written, so I will be using minus. Okay, this is minus. So let's start here. So I can make it as this one as 4x whole square. Okay, this one should be 2ab. Okay, this one should be 2ab. So let's make it. So I can write minus 2 in place of a, 4x is there. In place of b I can write 3, and badin 9 I can write 3 square is equal to 0. Now this and this is same. So compare it. So I can write here in place a minus b whole square. So a is 4x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. So I can write x square 4x minus 3 will be square root of 0, which will give you always 0. Okay, so here you can get x is equal to 3 by 4. So this is your answer for this question. This question it will be same, but this time in place of minus I will be using plus. Okay, so let's start here. So I can write 5x whole square plus 2 times of 5x multiplied by 8 and plus 64 I can write 8 whole square is equal to 0. A plus b whole square formula I will use. So it will be 5x plus 8 whole square is equal to 0. Same way I can write 5x plus 8 will be equal to square root of 0 will give you 0. So 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay, and the last question now we are going to do, which is something like this. In this question it is telling that it's a rectangle. You can see rectangle is there. The length is 2 more. Whenever more is there I will be doing plus from width. So I am considering w is equal to x. So length will be equal to how much? Firstly x is the width. So wait a minute. So x and it is 2 more. and then it is telling area is also given 63. So I know area is equal to length times width, so I can write area is equal to 63, length I know x plus 2 and width is x. Further solve it, I can write 63 is equal to x square plus 2x. I know right hand side should be 0, so I have to rearrange everything. So if I will rearrange, I can write x square plus 2x minus 63 is equal to 0. Now I will further make 63 in such a way that I am getting 2. Okay, so I can write 63 as 9 times 7, and when I will do minus, so I can get it here 2x. Okay, now I have got it what I have to do. So let's start. So x square plus 9x minus 7x minus 63 is equal to 0. Make pair and take common. So x will be common here. I will be writing x plus 9, and whenever minus is in the first place, so you will be taking minus also common. So x plus 9 is equal to 0. So take common x plus 9. What remain? X minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so this implies either x is equal to x plus 9 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Further solve it. So if x plus 9 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 9, or I can write x is equal to 7. I know when the length is there, length cannot be negative. So this answer is wrong. So this is correct answer. It means x, I told you that this is w. Okay, so it means w is equal to 7. So length will be equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to altogether 9. Okay, so I have got w is equal to 7 and length is equal to 9. Thank you.